Where are you going to?
I'm going to D.C.
DC?
Yes.
And what happened?
At the entrance at the airport, they turned